Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel codeWithKhan. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's say today's LeetCode problem 1461. Check if a string contains all binary codes of size k. It's medium mark. Let's read the question. Given a binary string s and integer k, return true if every binary code of length k is a substring of s, otherwise we will return false. So let's understand this. So we need to check all binary codes of size k, and if s contains all that binary codes of size k, then we'll need to return true, otherwise we'll return false. Okay, let's see the constraints are s dot length can be 5 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, we'll go for the solution which is less than n square, and s of I is either 0 or 1, and k can be less than or equals to 20. Let's see one example. Given 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 where k is equals to 2. Okay, first let's understand how many binary codes we can generate of length k. So in this scenario k is 2, so how many binary codes we can generate of length 2? So we can generate 2 to the power of k, which is 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. So we can generate 4 binary codes from the this s. We need to check if we can generate 4 binary codes of length 2. So what are the binary codes we can get from of length 2? If you see 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So these are the binary codes of length 2. Okay, what are the binary codes of length 3? If it is of length 3, so it can be 0 0 0 0 0 1 and so on 1 1 1. So it will be to the power of 3, which is 8. So we can generate 8 binary codes of length 3. So and so on for any given integer k. So we can generate 2 to the power of k binary codes. Okay, so let's see problem now. So what we'll do is we'll traverse the string from left to right. Okay, and we'll use the sliding window approach to generate the substrings of length 2. Okay, in this scenario our window size is 2. So now we'll check. This is our window currently. So what we'll do is we'll take a string, we'll take a set of strings. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll insert the substrings that we are seeing currently into the set. So currently we have 0 0, and then window moves here. Now the substring is 0 1. Now window moves here. Now the substring is 1 1. Now window moves here. Now substring is 1 0. Now window moves here. The substring is 0 1, which is already present, so we don't add it again. Now substring moves here. Current value is 1 1. We already have. We don't add it. And finally it is 1 0. It is also present, so we don't add it. So what is the set size here? Which is also 4. So what are the binary codes? 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So these are exactly matching with our binary codes of length 2. So what we can say that, so we are able to generate all the substrings of length 2, right, from the given string. Yes, so we'll just return true. Got it? Now let's see the pseudocode how we can do this. So what we'll do is we'll take a set of string, set is equals to new HashSet. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll try to iterate the string. For what I will do, int I is equals to k2, I should be less than or equals to s dot length, and then I plus plus. I will first generate the substring. Okay, I will generate the substring. Substring is equals to s dot substring of, from where to where? It is from I minus k to I. So for initially, if this is our our input s, so and window size is k is equals to 2. So initially I is equals to 2 and k is equals to 2. So substring will be from I minus k. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 0 to I is 2. So 0 to 2 it will create a substring. So this is the initial substring. And once we generate the substring, what we'll do, we'll add that substring to the set. So once it is done, what we need to check? We need to check simply, are we able to generate all the substrings of length 2? So we'll check set dot size. If it is double equals to true, if it is double equals to 2 to the power of k, right? If it is true, then we'll just return true, otherwise we'll return false. So we'll return set dot size is double equals to 2 to the power of k, then it will return true, otherwise it will return the false. Got it? And let's say the time complexity of this, program is, we are just iterating the string one, so it would be, you go off. And what is the space complexity? Space complexity is, we are storing the 2 to the power of k substrings, right? We are only storing the 2 to the power of k substrings, so it would be 2 to the power of k. Got it? And k is, we already know k can be only 20, so it would be 2 to the power of 20 only. Got it? Now let's try to write the code. We'll take a set of strings. Set is equals to new HashSet. Okay, once we have, then we'll iterate the string for int I is equals to k2, I should be less than or equals to s dot length, and then I plus plus. Now what we'll do, we'll generate a substring. String str is equals to s dot substring of, it is I minus k to I. So once we get the substring, we'll add that into the set. Once we add, just at the end we just need to return, is it equals to our 2 to the power of k. Okay, so we need to check if set dot size is double equals to math dot power of 2 to the power of k. Alright, now let's try to run this code. That is accepted. Now let's try to submit this code. Yeah, it is accepted. So if you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.